Monday morning, yasabe PM World of Entertainment. Niame chagua di bisumo di afata onino sumuno. Ahaya na wotseno ahaya wo entertainment headquarters. Many the sister Sandy B. Hey, a guy, Ghana's entertainment prophet. Na dang.
Sandy B a guy.
O mashe no mehu. Sa ba ye bi anymore ye guy. Stefano says this will be a mamma bonsem na day. Yeah. That's right. That's right.
Sister Sandy B a guy.
My boyfriend time I see more. Me boy gospel there, power in your name there. Me go straight to the Church of Pentecost. Pentecost for your domododo. Your domo Pentecost. Oh, sani adamu tie. I don't praise PIW so mbese so my ne adinti ano Pentecost for me kra mo name di mo den. Story here wa say ankoye amamo this particular video. A boy, you know, yenya information meaning ya tete mo message ningi na yensa ka mo messages ningi na ya somwo ahobrase akwan so ye ne mo ana etala media ne don say ho no mamu nyina. But this particular video, the Church of Pentecost actually address to say we or Voice of Pentecost VOP story here M4 mo ho but no kwane say video no maame na okoka nsem no gina asante no enye ono krenti ono nditi na enye mu krenti na ebo gina asante no owo video we mu the said video na boy no gina ewom ono na e focus no it's not about Voice of Pentecost na acheneba if I got the name right na acheneba na say VOP for no it's got nothing to do with more your home statement ningina and we deeply apologize but yes this will be say we are very professional. No some trotro say you're unprofessional. No multimedia group, not Sister Sandy. Yeah, very professional. You may for years, yet and we still maintain your ethics of journalism, no. And we are very professional. That one there, but you're very professional. You know, making no. Let me just play it again. Number who said I am pa Jena Santi. I would have said video na your boy in Tiensha Honombra. I still stand by it. Yaka. So she for crowd ya mema we do be near kenkan we had chair. It is I will say bit afraid and prejudice. We didn't say hunu na say ba hia enkwadwane entire Pentecost for echi. Yeah, kwa sorry. Ye do nyame. Ye ginyame the beginning of the story I stated it. Sa suffer for me buo mo na me sum nyame dodo. Enti no gina asante. Se hunu de wadi. Ade de wo troy. Comment so de ya mema o kama. Ozo obi ka so reg kra say abijan bosom. Enya nkwane e kan ho asem wa. Ya wo try ne comment na ye wa ha. You are all right to do commentary. Enti we dem patch it's not personal attack. And na a social buzz enu bi ne so ye buzz wa ha. Enti no okwa ye said no ni personal issue. Ya sama try na ho nkomo. Enti batch we enko Pentecost for mem. Enko twe omo mem kura enko ye osum yenu ntokwa. Ko twe omo ye ne Pentecost for ni asem. Me sure say Adom praise the best from. Nti abusu ayenko ye nim na ye nto aso nti wodi owum woni ye nto aso. Ara ho sem so ye da sorry aye say ne say GR rebuilding ya Rocks Watch womi. Eja dem de den amanaka. Rocks Watch. Ye nti ayi grandpapa no pa mi nya watch ni. Oh. Enye yi so be business. Na BBCS, we were so worried and concerned. But you check here who said Nyame Adom, nobody was hurt. Obia, we thank God for life first. But it's very unfortunate, it's a business, you know. etimi ahye no we send you love and light anywhere Adom ye betimi aboa bia we are ready to help ti enhwesa ne ade no kowe
I know you by now, you already heard the news, it's everywhere, but we felt that it was necessary to officially let you know what took place and what's taking place. We would like to begin by thanking all the love that's being shown. I mean, it's been amazing, people coming from everywhere, far and wide, to come and show love. Yes, there has been a fire, a pretty devastating fire. The good news is that no human being was harmed. Amen. Material stuff we don't take with us when we check out, so we give praise to Jah for this. As far as the damage, pretty heavy, but we would like to take this time out to thank the Ghana Fire Service. I know that you're going to catch a lot of flack because you are so close to us in proximity, literally about a minute or so away from us, but we also found out that in Medina and all over the place. Into your mono, and kind of said no my brain, but they finally did what they had to do and they put it out. And they turned it out. And so therefore, we would like to thank you, Yambo Mabaso, because I know they're going to catch some flack, but that's not what we're here for, to point fingers. Shout out to the Accra Tourism Information Center. Shout out to Madame who's here. Everybody's here. Yeah. And so we thank you all. As you can see, the damage is pretty heavy. But a roof, no, and a chair, but and that's what we give praise to. All the other rumors, cut it out. Also,
Machia nipa da woda mpem a ja wo hwese nya mebedom wa ma wani ate woda ho a obinya call na ya asem bi say. It's very unfortunate. Grandpapa, we send you love and light. Ye de nyame asen so se obi a ho eje. Away from that, say but se fa no momon se magana for ho omodo no so forget ho opekra fa yesu asem yesu so ye nko heaven omodo wo no radio moyama daddy Lumba. It was so beautiful. Ya beba so because near cameras e wo ho no ba daddy Lumba best friend driving for su utie nyuma ni di wo mpan ye. Is again they say the daddy Lumba teacher kasa, the best friend kasa, daddy Lumba cook kure kasa, restaurant odidi oh erade we are say ufi mo ya yeah erade wachi and they said driving for su e chinsim one me aminu aba ma biscuit nana prempe to chain come na say na koi
the man you so na sabi o papa krati ase no hwe na ade na papa wu na minim se oyare se me ka yare a okomu no for 15 years a
oyare for 15 years
15 years because ye operation of daddy Lumba no the spinal cord the finish the quantity a papa the waste metal na show operation cost $40,000 onya accident na wa mana ni anko ho sa tan wa yong no bobo nwum nti no the chire no benya effect no nti nu a onom de sewa ene de bioli nu no ko ena woni yiri wo fie so anka 77 pedasa anka e bia anko hu yeso ache
no correct
because Mrs. Shukra me nuane ntimi list the doctor man say untimi ntra age we nti hu se ne nyum no boy no yo ka say me kra mo onim say na ya ka kire no What's a few others over papa?
You met one family.
Me match banana and banana. And I'm saying, me match banana.
And then that
many ya dream because I've been a victim before. My family in any accident. And my has affected my spinal cord. Minya bibi de quite first breaking news. Nka baby ada na me make because me to me go interview to hani me help. I'm a minya scoliosis. Mechi adequate system me be ye gaga ye yo ni na man shada o minya accident my spinal cord is saying to mechi echia say matana me hwe man ope good morning mommy 790 straight am hu se mechi achia de na me de toge ko bi se Kumasi Academy me ba na me toge na me hwa na be ye gaga ya me be ye guys o abusu ya yare na ma me ye guys enti no accident si ne wan hwe ne ntema asunsun so ebi na kan me a and then nyame adom ampedu me mpanifo mu timi hwe me call hospital ne ade a mechi yetimi ayi straight bo mama multimedia omo hwe ye pay bo momo PK Abdullah Wudu wa ba Kofi ampedu ko bi Sean Hawa HI madam asedo yenye mo anka mechi nka achi ya but they say gaga ndi aka gaga ni de magaya manaka nti anto a ensem no so to Daddy Lumba vigil na efe ye Ghana fo ayade mo akere say ye papa ne legend enye de na ma mi kenye de na gina asante kika say onye legend yen celebrate no menye sure say gina ekura wo ye concert obenya ni pasa hwe ni pa e call Daddy Lumba vigil ase efe keke ow Ghana hey big up yourself and the Dusty Stefano Boma and the Dusty big up yourself the best DJs in our multimedia and each and every celebrity our call that's quite the girls who body abeje biafum tingana for ya damase baba say mama ade no AF yen kwase yen kwese na isi koi wow you obi wa asem kwa na pese otwa so say opd me ni beef me producer me ni beef uti enwum ya mechi na say ja na watwa so because ye de ekwa hefa what are the way me your story na anya ye de ekwa he sister me bire wo abusia the best schools e okuma ase Stefano Bomo bi meti ase because as a hype ni na wo keep and it's mama sunu ndome tema agri memoria a site for Udim Kumasi Academy. Udim Asantuma Senior, Udim Opokuare, Udim Premper College, Unim Yasantua, Unim St. Louis. The best schools are in Ashanti region. And Drabin Senior High School is one of them. I honor na legend in Nicole School, Drabin Senior High School, honor no. Senka Drabin Secondary. But moye senior high ni ade name asesa. Omo ya ade na efe peji. Omo kai se honor legend Nicole School. Na say and almost celebrating during their entertainment night last Saturday.
Charles Odofosu, also known as Daddy Lumba, rest in perfect peace. Amen.
Mijina he Kumasi Academy ante merefi bomoku bo abuye school bomoku kowash anthem nti se bo ko na me refi here to us we then ko phone so concern ko jiwani ko vigil night na bra there be typical Ghanaians as usual or more concerns hear her fans no how they reacted or vigil na say
Mecca no quarry or Ghana. Mimi ni problem ni obi awa. Yeah. Set up of music no kwenko ye. Yeah. Lumba program. Yeah, yes na from. Yeah, ni mo nyomo to see. Obi ni mo nyomo to. Daniel, what's Lumba. Lumba voice. Who get a live band? O to Lumba nyom. Yeah, can be. Wasu my serious. Anya rough na video. Ministry obia. You're very saying, Nipa of them will work. You're very saying, Lumba program, eh? What's the mic? Yes. Yes. What's the work? Yes. Lumba, no, Papa, Nina, South. Lumba, no, Papa, Nina, South. Opportunity, Afro stage, Motu Lumba.
And to say now, I say, dear, my refi, Dada Kedi. On the other occasion, so that for more on the 6th of September, Nadia when him here 6th September, yeah, no, almost more than State House and him 4 courts of State House, no more. Tiana Kaya was a legends 2 neko, Baku and him by the deal, I shadow, but I am and Kai say that occasion, so that for more on the 6th of September, no, Omodia University so State House anymore. Fans of that arcade, Medi Wada, Jomimu, Namokaka, Ahosepe, YBPM State House anymore. Still on Daddy Lumba, no? Ex-president, still now His Excellency, and as a libe, Nana Adodankwa Ekufuado, and Dr. Baumia, incoming president, and I was a flag bearer. Aha, was it Kokofuba, no? Obiebi, Niamepi, Muchrain. No be mo me hu se na nani so enwomo a Lumba yema no ema otimi de call election or rainy yenti no nti wo dey enya wanwa say papa no akofi ho akoye ade. In fact nana patwa no pay chia good morning and good morning to MPP flag bearer so munyanye bo mo ye dia ba me good morning ti enko honko hwe se ne omsra no
enam no so nti na Ghana be bia obeko midin edikan ewo na majuma ye de boano ya banisa nyama buchi so aya ede aka ede adaselo isa ede greni na uchimi kame
Yadibesi amenda Eagle wear for us material nene pamina every Eagle for her fabrics wholesale GH Eagle wear what Tesano same building with Starbucks restaurant from 0266 112230 no mo pempen kwala nie mo memo maya o mo pamning na bi material sort o mo bi nyina ewo ho touch of Kumbe Stella or makeup department to trim ani mame Stefano am sound engineer Uncle Thomas Albert Gilbert o mo Alex PR reset obibia cold room ho de well be Kofi Ampedu o pemu na nkasa na obet na chisi am adwuma na ma opiri me producer obi nton krama mese kwa ahemen da soni Sama feel pay yes, Bibane no Asante Achima go this year. Love you so much, Daddy. Good morning, guys. Erade, bedi besi. Nyame adoma kukwada. Yabe say bye for now.